on this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create email sequences, both email and SMS. So how can we automate this? If you don't have an account yet, I suggest you click the link somewhere around this video so that you can make the setups along with this video. We're now here on the dashboard and we're going to go on both marketing and automation. By the way, since we have to deal with email automation and email EDM sequence, I suggest we go directly on automations. Alright, once we press the automation, you will see this workflow dashboard on your computer, and then just press create workflow. So now we're going to create those email sequence. You can see there are different types of template here, so you can feel free to navigate this area, but for now I'm going to guide you the basic on how you can create your first email sequence and EDM automations. Now you have to press from scratch, and first thing you have to do is you have to name your email sequence. Here you're going to put names. So right here we will put my email sequence, so it depends what's your company name, email and SMS. Yeah, so right here, now as you can see, there is an empty box right here. For us to create this, assuming you don't have the landing page yet, we will create a landing page. Now for us to create a landing page, we have to go to the site. So by the way, these sites, we can create the landing pages, we can create sales funnels on these sites, and also a website, as you can see here. So we will discuss this further on the next sessions. For us to build the form, we go to the forms and then build, and then add form. We have to start from scratch. Now this is the scratch form, so we have to do the basic. Put your company name. Or my business, so this will be your company name. We have to create a basic, and for you to also save some time, we can use this template. Now we can save it. You have a basic landing page right here. So just a reminder, you can also, if you want to get all these details and you don't want your landing page to be empty, you can put required here. As you can see, this dot, so required, last name, required, and then save. Now you have my company landing page. Let's go back to the email EDM creations. So now we're here in the automation, so we'll go back to the my email and SMS that we're drafting. As you can see, here's the draft. And now let's back to this add trigger. So what's the trigger? This is your landing page. Now we will put the form that we created. So you will see the form right here. Form submitted. As you can see, this form submitted. This is the one we created. Now form submitted, you will put the names here. Here, my company landing page. And then you will put the filter. The form name is my company name. So this is the landing page that we created, and you put trigger. You have to save it, and then this is your landing page already. For all the details, so for example, you perform advertising, and then all of the leads that you collected, it will go directly on your landing page, and then on your landing page it will go right here. So I suggest you put tags. As you can see here, the tags, so you can type here so you can easily see the things you need. So add tag, you can put name on your tags right here. So you didn't see it, you add new. My Facebook ads, for example, you run Facebook ads or Google ads, it depends which platform you want to use, Instagram. So right here, just for example, we can put my Facebook leads. Every time the leads will come, it will notify you that these leads are from my Facebook ads. My Facebook leads, so right there. So again, from your landing page, it will go to the notifications. I will show you where this one will go afterwards. Now you get the tags already, and then you will now create your first email. So here's how you can create the emails. So as you can see, the actions here, once you press the button, once you press this button, this plus sign button, and then you will find the sent email. So you can also navigate this section so that you can see which items or which features you need. So right now, since we need the message, we will use this email. So by the way, this is the email and this is the SMS. So you have to press the send email right here. So now you press the send email. You can now put the email name. So for example, welcome email right here, action name for you to notify, welcome email, and then from name, your name, my business. So whichever name you like to put, your first name as a business owner or your business name. So let's put my business name, and then your email. Let's say for example your email is my service email, my service at google.com or gmail.com. So this is for a demo purposes, so for you to familiarize this feature and how you can create your email. So now you have this email and then your subject, welcome email. So whichever subject you like to put, and then that's the important requirements for the email. So for us to proceed, we can put hi, and then the name of your recipient, hi, and then you will put this, you see this custom values, hi, contact, first name, for example, hi, first name, for example. So let's say for example, hi Dami, hi Maria, something like that. Yeah, so okay, so hi, and then your message, welcome message. You can type which message you need to send to your recipient or to your leads. So hi message, and then your business name. Name, then yeah, phone number. You can also put the logos if you want. You will see the, as you can see this, so there's an image logo. You can also put your logo below or your website. So yeah, so that's how you can build the basic emails, and you don't forget to save all the actions. So now you have the email already. So as you can see, welcome email, you have the tags, and you have the landing page. Now for the automation steps for the email, you can also use the waiting time. So you will see here, for example, delay, if you want 30 minutes late or 30 minutes, 1 hour delay, you can see it right here. This wait, you can see the wait, this one, wait means that you have to hold on the next email. So wait, for example, wait 1 day, wait 1 day, time delay, see, time delay, and then 1 day. It's up to you, no? 1 day, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. No? So this is for the demo purposes and for us to guide you on how you can create your automations. Now wait for 1 day. You already sent the email from your landing page, and then this is the tags which will notify you on which leads is the leads coming from, and then your first email is here, and then we will wait for 1 day, and then for tomorrow we need to send another email. Now the SMS is coming here. Again, it's up to you which action you want to put. You can also put another email, but on this time we need to set the SMS, which is the text messages. And for the on how to acquire messages, you can review the first video that we created. Now wait 1 day, and then we have to send now the SMS. So you can see again the details here, the text message. You can see this, there's also WhatsApp here. Now, so right now we're going to send SMS. You see this SMS. Press the SMS, and then action name SMS1 or SMS1 or text. Depend on your preference what action name you like to put here. And then the template, you can go ahead for the message, text message, hi. Again, there's a custom value. You can put your contact, first name, hi, welcome, and thank you. So it depends on your message, if you have already the script or what kind of message you like to add on your messaging. Yeah, so that's it on how we can create both of the SMS and email. Again, don't forget to save the action. You can continue if you want to make more sequences here. You can follow these steps. So for example, another 1 day, you can wait. This action is for your shortcut. So if you want another wait here, and then wait 1 day, wait 30 minutes, wait 2 days, it depends on your preferences. 1 day, time delay, again for another day, wait for another day, and then the end is here. So if you like to put more sequences here, you can feel free to navigate these sections for you to create more messages and automations for you to follow up on your leads. So that's it. Again, if you have some questions, you need more guidance, you can feel free to ask Dami and our team.